Will Bitcoin break below 90k? Plus Ethereum, Solana and stock analysis. The crypto market and stock markets are buzzing with action this week. Is Bitcoin heading below 90k? How are Ethereum and Solana performing? And what about stocks like Moderna and BMW? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, Moderna, BMW, Solana USDT, ND USDT and Ethereum USDT. And if you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press the subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's start with the weekly performance of the crypto market. As you can see, overall a red week. A lot of red coins. Duck with at minus 26.6, Pengu minus 23.1, Move minus 16.2, CurveDAO minus 19, AI16Z minus 37.1, Rune minus 32.4, and we do have some green numbers. Budget token 17.5, Ripple 5.8, XDZ 10.8, FTN, what is this? Fast token is up 8.6, and from the weekly I will change to the daily. Today's sentiment also more red than green. Virtual minus 5, Ray minus 4.2, FET minus 2, Ondo minus 2.8, Sui minus 3.9, and the green numbers are Hex 8.7, Cardano 4.5, Ripple 2.7, Hype 5.2, Flare 5.9, Tia 2.5, Monero 3.2, Qcoin 3.6, and from here I will go to CoinMarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 3.3 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 69.98 billion, and the current fear and greed is 48, which indicates neutral. The trending coins are Mystery, XRP, Cardano, XLM, T-Fuel. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Binance, Solana, Doge, Cardano and Tron. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall a mixed sentiment. Technology in red, consumer electronics in red, semiconductors mixed, asset management red, credit services red, banks red, household in red, tobacco, yes, a lot. Tesla went up 4.8, Toyota went down 5%, Meta is up 2.77, United Health Corp is up 3.21, Apple was down 2.87, Oracle minus 6.95, Taiwan Semiconductors 3.37. And from here let's kick off with Bitcoin. Starting at the weekly, less than 12 hours to close this week's candle. We are in a red candle so far, back at support, rejection on the weekly. And from here let's go to the daily. No daily gain from this drop off to the low here. So far it held support around 92,500. That was the start of the impulse to the high here. And now rejecting, and I will show last week's scenarios. So this one is not in play anymore. You could have played the short here. It's not in play anymore. This one is still active. The entry here at 87,298. And if it fall below support of 87,298, 298, then the next entry at 75,637. I will add some new scenarios. Maybe a test just below 100,000. Pullback entry, trying to break the previous high, the 103,000. And else, I would like to see a test of the all-time high. Pullback with the entry around 97,900, aiming for a new all-time high. So 4 potential scenarios for Bitcoin the coming days, and from Bitcoin I will go to Moderna, starting at the monthly, current price at $42.25. Here was the COVID, the all-time high, and from the all-time high the price went down 91.51%. Looked like a shitcoin, but it's almost back at origin price before the COVID breakout. So might be interesting for a position here. I will start adding some levels. Okay, from the monthly I will change to the weekly. Okay, let's go back to present. Found support here at 38.31. Try to go up. Tested back. Rejection on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, this was the level to gain. 45.49. Rejection here, but it printed a higher high. It found support on the start of the impulse. And now the pullback here, 41.51. Okay, if the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a test between 52.80 and 59. Pullback entry at 45.49, aiming to break the $60. And if I change to the weekly, if the price managed to go up more aggressive, and let's say test 66 from here, pullback entry at 52.80, aiming for 87. Okay. And if the price keeps rejecting, then a support between 26 and $30, trying to go up from there. And else the entry at $18.75. So 4 potential scenarios here for Moderna Incorporated, and from here I will go to BMW. I've charted this one in 2023 and this scenario played out quite well. The short around 111, pullback entry here at 87.96. So if you had played the short, you could have had 21% profits, initial and later more. And the long resulted in above 30% profits. Okay. For now, let me start with a clean chart. And I would like to start at the monthly. The monthly rejection from the previous high went back to the start of the impulse here. Let me add some levels. Nice clean price action here. I like it. And from the monthly, I will change to the weekly. It was the previous drop of 77 weekly gains here from the drop off. But the rejection from this one, the 81.14, okay. So if the price managed to go up, then test around 88.18, pullback entry around $77, trying to break $88, aiming for 90 and higher. And if the price goes up more aggressive, and let's say test $92 from here, pullback entry at 85.40, aiming for $100. This one is high risk, late entry at $73.16, aiming to go up from there. It's playable, but more risky. I prefer the more safe option, the confirmation higher high, weekly gain, pullback. And I will add one more. If the price loses support here at 73.16, then we will probably see a test around $57, trying to go up from there. So 4 potential scenarios here for BMW, and from here I will go to Solana, starting at the weekly. Current price at $160, $186, sorry. Nice upwards pressure here. All-time high. Okay, I'll add some levels. Yes, and from the weekly I will go to the daily. Here was the previous drop off on the daily, 223.22, dropped, tested back, rejection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tested flawless here, went back, daily losses of the start of the impulse here, below 189. Okay, so let me add some levels. If the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a gain, daily gain of 223, maybe a test of 236 or a little higher, pullback with entry just above 200, aiming to break the all-time high. And if the price managed to go lower, entry at 162.51 here. And else I would wait for the more defensive play of 128.68. Or even the play of $110, trying to go up from there. So 4 potential scenarios for Solana the coming days, and from here I will go to ND USDT, starting at the weekly. The price is at 0.00091 at all-time lows. I'll add some levels. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour we do have gain here. It might be interesting for a play here. Okay, let me change back to the daily. This one is high risk, but if it works, it works. The entry here at 0.00083 and 0.0085, aiming to break the previous rejection, and if it managed to break through, then the test of 0.001, a tenth of a cent. But keep in mind, if the price falls through support over here, then we will see new all-time lows. If the price managed to go up and let's say test the 0.00127, pullback entry here at 0.00098, trying to break this one. And if the price managed to go up more aggressive and test the 0.0016, pullback entry just at 0.00107. So this 4 potential scenarios here. This one activated on the 4-hour. Potential play of 27%, but if it goes up from there, then it's a good one. Okay, and from Andy I will go to Ethereum USDT. Red week also. About 11 hours and 30 minutes to close this week's candle. Rejection went back to the start of the impulse. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. Daily losses of the previous start of the impulse. Doesn't look good. So you could have played this long and the short here around 3,650. The short resulted in 12.8 from last week or the week before. So this one is gone. I'll remove some scenarios here. If the price break through support, then the next support will be here at 2,857. And if it falls through support over there, the next entry at 2,618. And I will add 2 more scenarios. Maybe here around the test around 3,500, pullback entry at 3,270. Trying to break that previous drop off, or else the test of 3,890, pullback with entry at 3,484, aiming for 3,953. So 4 potential scenarios here for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, enjoy your day and see you in the next one. Cheers!